So this is just a follow-up video from my last one. So we showed how to install Battlefield Middle-earth 2, how to fix it so it works with Windows 10, and also how to install the patches. So this video we're just going to look at playing online. So there's two ways you can do it. That's with Game Ranger or through this T3A online. So let's go ahead and download the launcher. So I've already got the game installed and ready to go. So let's go ahead and install the launcher. Okay, so once you've installed the T3A online launcher, we can load up Battlefield Middle-earth 1, Battlefield Middle-earth 2 and Rise of the Witch King. So, but before you do that, you need to go on their website and you need to create an account. So go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, we can load up Battlefield Middle-earth 2. So you can also use Game Ranger for playing online on this game as well, but I kind of prefer this way. So we want to now log in with the username and password we set on the website. Okay, okie dokie. There we are, we're in. So we can play the same way we used to play before. Let's join this guy's game. Can I? Nope. Join game. Hello. So yeah, if you've got friends and you still want to play Battlefield Middle-earth 2, then you can still play it. Hopefully this video helped, and I may make some more based on some mods. Or thanks for watching. I'll see you later.